Every day, you go to work knowing the dangers you face. You know falls from height can be deadly. But did you know there's another lesser-known fall hazard out there? It's not heavily regulated, but it jeopardizes the safety and productivity of workers, bystanders, and equipment every day and everywhere. Dropped objects. Every year, thousands of workers are struck by falling tools and objects. But the biggest impact? In 2015, these kinds of incidents killed 519 people, and that's just in the United States. When dropped from 100 feet, a 1.5-pound tape measure can reach speeds over 50 miles an hour and impact with forces up to 1,800 pounds. Besides the danger to workers directly below, dropped objects can also deflect off structures and strike outside the work zone. But together, we can help prevent these incidents. 3M DBI SALA Fall Protection for Tools solutions are designed to help secure a variety of tools and objects up to 80 pounds. Our team can help educate you through the Dropped Object Prevention Competent Person Training course and can help you implement a prevention plan so we can help protect not only you, but those around you too. Contact us today to learn more.